guys, welcome back into another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my new two fidgets that I got from, I don't know what the shop's called, but let's get into it. So first, I have this tie-dye light pink tie-dye puppet. It's a really good puppet. And it's cute. It's just my favorite color. And I have a triple dimple from the same shop. Oh no, this one was from a different shop. I got them from a mall. We're on vacation right now. And right now we're in a hotel. As you can see, we did not move into another house. It's just a hotel. And it's a really good puppet. And I've always wanted a square puppet, and I haven't had one before. So yeah, it's just so pretty. We're just chilling together like that. This one's okay. I'm first gonna rate them right now. Okay, so this one is like 8 out of 10. Because it's just kind of hard to squish. And then this one is a 10 out of 10. And that's it. Bye!